What's up, Panda Warriors? And today I'm playing with my friend. He's at my house right now, and we're playing some more COD. I know you guys are watching this game. I know, like I'm moving up the ladder. I'm at 13 subscribers. That's really good. And so I'm trying to get 20 by the end of this week. I know I said I was gonna do something with Braden Vlogs on a Saturday or Sunday, but I didn't really feel like it. So now I'm just posting this. So I am the top screen. Yeah, I'm doing okay with my 15% more XP gun, like boy. Yeah. So I'll try, like most of the times you get a free crate for your daily entry, like, and I'm trying to get new guns out of those, but they're pretty rare. I thought that guy wasn't on my team. I was taught game. So I really like this gun because a shot and the scope is dope. Except I get so triggered whenever these hacker guys level 5,700,000 have the best shotguns in the game, and they just come over and wreck me, and like I can't do anything about it except shoot them from a distance. That's their only weakness. Like, it's pretty triggering. But you know, whatever, it's a game. So tomorrow or the next day, or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday, I am getting Ark Survival, so I will be playing that game. I watched a couple YouTube videos and it looks really fun, so I will be playing that game with Braden Vlogs for sure, because it looks really dope. I think it just came out and it looks. How did that guy scope me with that grenade? Like, what? That's so triggered. So as I was saying, like, it just came out and it looks really dope. So I'm switching over to the MV4 because I'm getting irritated and I'm getting killed more than I get kills. Oh, come on! Oh no, that guy did not just slide behind the wall. Ooh. I really need the claw. That would be dope. Oh, kill him. Oh, that guy just stole my kill. Kill him. How did I not just shoot him? This game's rigged. Come on. I'm gonna switch to whatever this is called. Use my my radar. Oh, yes, I have a claw. Alright, that's good. Oh. See, this is what I mean. Like, decked out shotguns like this with a laser scope. Yeah, like, boy, one shot and it's just like rapid fire. Like, that's crazy, bro. There's nothing you can do about that. Alright, the one thing I love about this gun is the scope. Like, it's just, oh, kill him. Yeah, come back. 145 points. Usually would have got 100 if you were a regular gun, but I think that's what you would have got, but since my no, that's not true. Scratch that. Oh, double kill. Where'd he go? Where did he just go? He just disappeared. They just leave the game? What? That's so whack. Oh, where? Oh, there he is. Oh, double kill. Oh, come on. Oh, did I kill him? Oh, no, there he is. Oh, my. Of course he kills me when I'm reloading. Like, that's so cheap. But whatever. I'm just gonna go up here, go full out sniper mode. Just kidding. 360 no scope with the sniper. That's how we roll, bruh. I love this map. This is my favorite map by far because it's so open, and like, if you first start out the match, people like camp on the trains like 24/7, and then you can just rack up the kills. Oh, I saw you. Oh Yeah, get wrecked by my grenade. Did he not just die because of my grenade? Like, boy. Oh, no way. I hate when that happens. But we're losing so bad. 36 to 71. That's horrible. Whatever, bro. Oh, double kill. Double kill. Oh, come on. So triggering. He was using the flight. But whatever. Whatever. What? Okay. Who are you talking to? I was playing COD. So yeah, I don't really know what to talk about. Just watching you, bruh. See, look good. I have like 10 kills or something. Something like that. I have no clue. But doing pretty good. But whatever. Ooh, sniper mode right here. Just sniping with the guns. Pretty OP. Overpowered. So yeah. Yep. So comment down below games you want me to play and leave a big fat like on this video and make sure to subscribe, boys and girls, cause I need to beat Jake Paul. Merch link in bio. And I will be getting some merch soon. JK, bro. Like, JK. Only if I get like 1,000 subscribers when I make. Oh! That guy's a robot thing. How? We're about to lose. 51 to 98? Oh, come on. We lost. What? That's so triggering. He just got a 360 no-scope with a sniper, boy. Oh, that guy's a sack. He has aimbot on. I swear he has aimbot. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. Make sure to please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you all tomorrow.